In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Instagram username. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log into your Instagram account and then go to your profile, which is on bottom right corner here. Tap on it to open your profile. The next thing you need to do is to go and click on edit profile. Tap on it to open. This will open your profile and you'll be able to see your name. This is the name that is displayed on the public, but you are most importantly interested in the username. As you can see, my username is different from my name, and I like to change my username to be the same as my name. So to change it, all you need to do is tap or click on the username and then go ahead and edit the username as you wish. And this will depend on if the username is available. As you can see, mine is not available, so I'll go ahead, modify and change it to a username that will be available. I went ahead and changed the username to this one, and as you can see, it is available. Now, to save the changes or the settings, all you need to do is to go ahead and tap on this blue icon and it will be saved. And now you can see the username has been changed. So that's how you change your Instagram username. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.